Hello everyone, I am Prakasam, a former mathematics teacher, and I warmly welcome you to this channel, Math Beyond Marks, which insists on concept based mathematics learning. Mathematics is not about memorizing formulas, it is about understanding ideas, thinking clearly, and solving problems with confidence. In this channel, I'll help you to understand concepts from the basics, solve problems step by step, build strong fundamentals, develop logical thinking skills. Whether you are a school student, competitive exam aspirant, or someone who feels mathematics is difficult, don't worry. Here we will learn mathematics in a simple, clear, and practical way. I'll be solving the problems live on my writing pad. So you can see the complete thinking process of myself from which you can learn. I am not going to write not just the final answer because mathematics is not about the final answer, it is about the method. So I am going to write the complete process, step by step method I am going to write. If, if you want to remove the fear of mathematics and start enjoying the subject, this channel is for you. Subscribe, stay connected, and let us learn mathematics in the right way with the concepts, clarity, and confidence. Thank you. Let's begin our journey. Hi, this is our first video in this channel, Math Beyond Marks. This is for class 8 students and useful for class 9 and 10 also. What you are going to learn in this chapter about the equation, about the constants, variables, which you learnt already in class 6 and 7. Shall we start? Yes, children. Let's start linear equation in one variable. First, we want to know some terms like constant. What are the constants as you studied this in class 6? Okay, the numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. all are called constants. Then what is a variable? What is meant by variable? The alphabets X, Y, Z, A, B, etc. all are variables. Then expression. What is meant by an expression? Or term. Next one, term. Expression means combination of two terms. Therefore, the terms are x, 3x, 5y. These are all terms. Okay, and x plus 3, 2x plus 5, comma 5. This also 5 is also expression. That means 5x power 0 will come. These are all expressions and these are all terms. Now let's coming to our equation. What is it? Equation means when two expressions x plus 3 and 5 are equated. When both are equal, I took small example for what value this x will be x plus 3, this left hand side is going to be equal to right hand side. That means simply that it should be 2. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So from here itself we can understand two sides expressions. Here I didn't give expression, here also in the left hand side I gave expression, right hand side also I didn't give. In future we'll take that one. So an expression equated to a constant, it has some value, both are equal. Now you know why I kept the picture here. When here both are said to be equal, we weigh in this balance. Suppose we'll keep some tomato or onion or something like this. In this, if you keep it and put 500 gram here, then both are coming equal, then you can say that x is equal to 500. That means for 500 grams, this side the weight is equal, hence both are equal. Therefore, the value of x, that is unknown. Unknown is what here? Tomato. We'll add one onion like that. But here 500 gram is known. So in this expression also, some unknowns are there, some knowns are there. Knowns are all called constants, unknowns are all called variables. Likewise, you can take one more example, x minus 5 equal to 10. So what value will come, you know, it's very simple. 15 minus 5 is going to be 10. Likewise, this is for addition, subtraction, now multiplication. 2x equal to 16. Then here the value of x will be 8. Hence, all the variables we are going to find the value and equate and check for that value whether both left hand side and right hand side are equal, and that is called an equation. Simply if you write x minus 5 equal to 10, it is an equation, and if you find the answer also as x equal to 8, x equal to 2, x equal to 15 like that, that is called solving. Solving and finding the value of x. This is a simple examples. These simple examples I used. It can take long, complicated examples, which almost any type of things, any type of expression you can write here. But only one thing, this chapter deals with linear equation. What is meant by linear? In all the things I used x only. I can say y plus 5 equal to 7 also. Then y will take the value 2. 2 plus 5 equal to 7. That is also a linear equation only. But if I write x square plus 3 equal to 9 like that, then this is not linear because the power is 2. So here the powers are not more than 1. The power must be always equal to 1. Less than 1 means what? X power 0. That you know, x power 0 is always 1. So this chapter completely going to deal with linear equation. Linear means only one power. Almost all the sums will be with power 1. If we want, we can take into power 2 and solve, but that will be done in class 9 in the form of quadratic equation, cubic equation, like that. Okay, I hope you are able to understand, children. Thank you. Let us see in the next video. Please subscribe this video. Thank you.